Activity 8, solving a system of equations by elimination. We can start with example 1. We've got two equations, negative 4x minus 2y equals negative 12, and 4x plus 8y equals negative 24. These equations are already set up well for elimination. Since we have a negative 4 as a coefficient in one of the equations for x, and a 4 as a coefficient in the other equation, we can add our two equations together, and x will be eliminated. Laying our equations out, negative 4x minus 2y equals negative 12, and 4x plus 8y equals negative 24. We've got our variables that are similar directly above or below one another, and we can go ahead and just add the two equations together. The two x elements will give us 0, and the negative 2y and 8y will give us 6y. Negative 12 plus negative 24 is going to be negative 36. We now have 6y equals negative 36, a single variable equation. We can solve for y. We can divide both sides by 6, which on the left will cancel out the 6's, leaving us with y, and on the right, negative 36 divided by 6 is equal to negative 6. We are now left with y equals negative 6. This is only half our answer though. We still need the x-coordinate of the ordered pair. To find our x-coordinate, we can substitute y equals negative 6 back into one of our equations. We'll use negative 4x minus 2y, or negative 6, equals negative 12. Doing the multiplication, we're left with negative 4x plus 12 equals negative 12. Subtracting 12 from both sides, we are left with negative 4x equals negative 24. We can now divide both sides by negative 4. On the left-hand side, this leaves us with x, and on the right-hand side, negative 24 divided by negative 4 is 6. We now have x equals 6, and our final ordered pair is 6 comma negative 6. We can take this and substitute it back into our other equation to check our answers. 4x plus 8y equals negative 24, or 4 times 6 plus 8 times negative 6 is equal to 4 times 6 is 24, and 8 times negative 6 is 48. 24 minus 48. 24 minus 48 is equal to negative 24, which matches up with our answer above. Our answer checks out.